How to add cash to Cash App card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can add cash to Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have a Cash App card and then you want to actually add money to your Cash App card, well, you just have to add money to your Cash App account. It's nothing as difficult as that. So when you have money on your Cash App account, you can withdraw those money using a Cash App card. So to do this, just come to the home page here, and once you're on the home page you'll find the add cash option there. So basically just tap the add cash button there, and here you can see the dollars that you might want to add. Once you select a certain amount, you can make sure to enter your bank using a debit card and so on. Once done, you will be able to add cash to your Cash App card. This way you will be able to basically add cash to Cash App card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.